Connecticut's Back to School Authority is sponsored by Yale New Haven Children's Hospital, one of the best in the nation.
Well, the school year is off to a rough start for many districts, including Manchester, where the middle school is closed today. They're shutting that building down to clean it after a suspected case of COVID-19.
Yeah, let's send things over now to Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Caitlin Nucolo, who is live outside Manchester Middle Academy. So, Caitlin, what do parents need to know this morning?
Well, the superintendent says that student had COVID-19 symptoms and was in close contact with someone who has the coronavirus. We still don't know the results of the test, but we will keep you posted on that. As for this school, if the student does have a positive test, well, then health officials are going to have to do contact tracing, and everyone who came in close contact with that student will have to quarantine for 14 days. Manchester Middle Academy is the latest in a wave of schools that are closing because of COVID-19. Today, the school will be deep cleaned while students learn from home. Nearly a dozen districts across the state have already reported teachers or students testing positive for COVID. And in Meriden, the district says a student showed up to Lincoln Middle School while waiting for their test result. He did test positive, and now an entire classroom will have to quarantine for 2 weeks. In Naugatuck, a high school student tested positive Wednesday. Health officials say districts will have to be flexible this year.
I think as people are changing their work patterns and their school patterns and going out of the house more because people are returning to school, that's really increasing the risk.
And Dr. McGee says she would like to see more widespread surveillance testing at schools around the state. We're live in Manchester this morning. Caitlin Nucolo, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.